Hi, do you have a book idea? Have you always wanted to become an author? I'm Jennifer, the traveling publisher, coming to you from my new RV with the exciting news that you can make 2026 your year to publish your book your way. And here's how. I'm about to launch this brand new series right here on YouTube where you're going to be guided step by step by step by step on how to take your book idea into manuscript, into publishing, into promoting, and beyond. So please join me on this exciting adventure to do your book your way. Right now, we're going to start with step one, which is establish your goals. So how would you ever know where you were going, or even have the motivation to do it if you didn't know why you were trying to do something and what your goals are? So let's sit down and establish your goals for writing your book. These are the goals that many authors have shared with me over the years at my company in real life, Bright Communications. So here are some goals. Let's see what resonates with you. Almost all my authors say their goal in writing their book is they want to help people. And so you can help so many more people with your book than you're ever going to meet in real life. Number one goal. Another goal is you can share your ideas and information in a book with many more people in many more ways than you could one-on-one. Another idea is joining the 0.01% club. While almost everybody wants to publish a book, and most people even have an idea, less than 1% actually does. And so by publishing a book, you're joining a very elite club. And so another reason why to publish your book is it's going to boost your esteem, because just having created your book, you have done an amazing thing to be very proud of. Another goal you might have that might be why you want to publish your book is to do media interviews, right? They love to talk to authors, and so publishing a book can be your ticket to getting media interviews. Along the same lines, another goal of publishing a book can be to form partnerships. A book is a way to introduce yourself to new people, promote your business, share your story. Along the way, another goal you might have with a book is inspire others. Perhaps you've survived hard things or endured difficult things. Well, your story can inspire other people who are going through similar challenges. Another reason for publishing a book is to boost your business. Your book can help support your business and your brand. If you don't have a business or a brand yet, your book can be your business and your brand. And so by publishing a book, you're actually starting your own business. And so the one goal I haven't mentioned yet, friends, probably on your mind, is make money. Yes, of course. We hope that by publishing your book is going to sell and earn money and become an entirely new revenue stream for you. In fact, it can generate several revenue streams because it might launch your speaking career. It might boost other businesses and satellite things. And so if you're my age, you might have in mind that you're going to publish a book to leave a legacy. And that's a wonderful goal as well. So I like to say, friends, that having a book helps you to increase 4 very important things. Number one, your book increases your visibility. You're going to be seen by more people. Number 2, your book increases your credibility. You're going to be trusted by more people. Number 3, your book increases your marketability. Your book helps you to be able to promote to more people. And number 4, your book increases your profitability. So friends, please take some time, write down what are your goals and your dreams, your why for publishing your book. And please keep that list close to your heart and also close to your desk, because in the hard weeks and months that follow, you're going to want to remind yourself exactly why you're publishing this book. Friends, please like and subscribe for more. I'm going to be releasing these steps in my Your Book, Your Way series every couple of days. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks. Bye-bye.